bacon wrapped stuffed burger. What's up, everyone? My name is Kyle Matuszewski, owner of Your Behind BBQ and Your Behind BBQ Birds and Bones. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please like, subscribe, do all the fun things. Today, we're gonna make some stuffed bacon burgers wrapped in bacon. All right, to get started, we're gonna use 1 pound of ground chuck. We're gonna use our secret brisket seasoning. Basically, this is salt, pepper, garlic, and it's got a little bit of some oomph into it. This will be coming out soon, very, very soon. Well, I'm still working on it, but she's coming. Whatever your favorite ground beef or burger seasoning is, go ahead and use that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just season this sucker up. All right, season. Kind of mix. Then we're gonna lay it down on the cutting board. We're gonna lay it flat. Lay it flat on the cutting board like that. Then whatever you like to use in your burgers. Me, I gotta have an onion, so we're gonna put some onion in there. Some cheese, some queso, add some queso, and then we're gonna add some pickles. Woo-hoo. Stuff it with some pickles. All right, then we're gonna just kind of form this over. This can be one fatty burger right here, boy. Whew. Kind of form, push down. Play with your meat. We all playing with our meat over here. All right, so now we're gonna season her again. Season the outside, don't be shy. Okay, then we're gonna flip her over. Season the other side. Bada bang. Don't forget the sides. Anytime you got extra seasoning on the cutting board, just roll your meat on the seasoning so you're not wasting. We're not wasting nothing here. Boom, now we got our burger. Now, you could go directly on the grill like this, directly on your smoker or on your pan, but that's not how we do things here. We are gonna grab us some cheap, thin bacon. Cheap, thin bacon. That's the only way we roll over here. So, cheap, thin bacon, roll this bad boy up. All right, last but not least, what we're going to use is our green chili bacon rub. We are going to green chili this bad boy on the outside. This is made with certified Hatch green chilies. So once it hits liquid and it starts cooking and everything, the green chilies come back to life. And so now we'll have chunks of green chili and bacon on our bacon stuffed burger. Woo-hoo. Say that 3 times. All right, roll her up. Boom. All right, so now we're gonna throw it on the Green Mountain Grill. The Green Mountain Grill is fired up to 300 degrees. So I'm running hickory pellets. We're gonna throw her in there. Bada bing. Now what I'm gonna look for is I'm gonna look for the bacon to get cooked, and also I'm gonna temp it. I'm temping it about 135, but I want the most important thing is I want the bacon cooked. So we're gonna shut this. We're gonna let her roll for 1 hour. After 1 hour, we'll come back and check it out. All right, we are 1 hour 15 in. Let's check this bad boy out. Bacon's crisping up nice. We're at 140. Time to pull this sucker off. All right, let's pull it off, take it in the house. All right, total cook time was 1 hour and 25 minutes. The bacon's nice and crispy. It smells good. I let it rest for 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna bring you in closer and we're gonna just look at the, what do they call that? The money shot. We're gonna do the money shot. All right, now there's only one thing left to do. This is absolutely amazing. If y'all like this content, please like, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.